guys, welcome back. I'm Julie with Rutenberg. Today I'm in Birds Key, which is just a few minutes away from San Lido Beach and also St. Amarns Keys. And I'm going to be visiting this home today that's actually available for sale. It's about 5,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. So let's go inside and take a look. Hey guys, welcome inside to this amazing home. This home was actually built in 2003 and it was built by Phipps Design Inc. and BW Saba Custom Builders, and you will just see the most stunning features. I mean, check it out. You have columns in the home. You see the detail that they were handcrafted. You have the mural in the ceiling. Look at that railing and the staircase, just so stunning. So I can't wait to walk you through this entire home. Check out this fireplace and all this detail with it. Oh my goodness. So this is the view when you first walk in. Lots of open space. And you have windows all the way up to the ceiling. And check out this view. Oh my God. So first we're going to go to the to the left of the home, which is the master suite. We have the master bathroom before we enter into the master bedroom. We have lots of vanity space. You can tell this home was Italian Renaissance influenced, so lots of character. I love it. And before we head into the master, we have 2 closets. We have one on each side, and they both come with fully built-in shelving closet. Not shelving, fully custom closets. So lots of space. I like how they utilized the entire space from floor to ceiling. And here's the other closet. Lots of space. They really utilized all the space in this closet. I love it. Now check out this master bedroom. Oh my goodness, we have so much space in here. You have the double tray ceiling with the crown molding and the gold accent. And check out the detail on the wall. I love how they matched the pictures to the recess in the wall where the headboard is. And then, oh my God, look at this view. You have doors so you can sit out there, have your coffee, just relax by the pool. Oh my God, this is just amazing. And remember guys, this home is for sale. It's on the market right now. So if you're interested in this, contact me. And here's the full view of the master bedroom. But let's check out the rest of the home. You know what? Why don't we head upstairs next? These are actually marble clad stairs, and if you don't want to take the stairs, there is an elevator in the home, so you don't have to worry about the stairs if you don't want to take them. And I like these little build outs. It's so cute. You could have put a big vase there. Just absolutely stunning. So upstairs we have a room that was converted to a media room, and if you really wanted to, you can convert it back to a bedroom. It does have its own bathroom, but this door to my left, that is actually a storage room, and you have some shelving in there, so perfect for organizing. And then here we are in the media room. And the media room also has doors outside to a balcony. We have 2, 3, 4, 8 chairs, so you can fit 8 people in here. You have a mini bar over there. Yeah, this makes a nice media room. So the wet bar, we have upper cabinets which can store all your glassware, which is nice, or your bottles. We have also a mini fridge, which is nice if you need to cool beers or wine, and we have a sink. And straight ahead is our powder room. All right, let's walk over to the other side of the home. And before we check out the ensuite that's upstairs, I want to check out this space to my right. So this is an open space. It does look below. Not entirely sure what I would do with it, but you know where that cabinet was sitting? Right over here. You could probably add another desk if you wanted to. And then look at this detail. I mean, this home has so much Renaissance. I mean, if you've been to Italy, you'll see all these things there too. This just gives me good feelings. I love it. So this is the ensuite bedroom that we have upstairs. To the left, we have the bathroom. We have split vanities. Soaking tub, of course. And to the side, we have your private commode. And check out these mirrors. I really like them. And here is your walk-in shower. And check out the Lastello. Oh my God, I love the color combination. Feels so royal. All right, let's head into the bedroom and check out the bedroom. And oh my God, we're going to go out on that balcony because I want to see the view from the balcony. So this is the second ensuite. We had the one downstairs and then we have one upstairs. So I like how it's split and you have them not all stuck together in one area. So this is really nice for privacy purposes. So, oh my God, check out this view. Oh, I love it. And we'll go down there in a minute. So this is the elevator I told you about. Let's see if it's open. No, it's actually locked, so we can't get in there. So we'll have to take the stairs. No problem. So there's two sets of stairs, to the one that we came up, and then on the other side of the other side of the home, and we have another bedroom right to my right over here. So let's go and check that out. I also like the panel doors; those are beautiful. So check out this room with the checker flooring. Isn't that cool? You have your full bathroom. There's no tub, but that's okay. You have a walk-in shower. And your closet space. So this is a nice space room. All right, so let's continue downstairs, and once we get downstairs, to my immediate right, we have the laundry room that we'll check out, and then we'll check out the kitchen. So here's the laundry room. As you can see, it's quite spacious. We have lots of cabinets around the washer and dryer, upper cabinets, left and right cabinets, even a sink. So lots of space, great laundry room. And here we have the kitchen. This is kind of like a butler kitchen because it's just right outside the kitchen, which is nice. So you can store all your china cabinet that you maybe don't use every day. And you can store your everyday dishes in this kitchen because you have so much cabinet space. It's just, oh my goodness, lots of storage in here. You have your built-in Wolf appliances. Oh my God, check out the ceiling detail. How gorgeous that is. So we have the gas cooked up stove, and oh my God, check out this vent, how gorgeous this is. But what I also wanted to say is, you see there is a pizza oven right next to this stove. So how awesome is that? You can make your own pizza. Feel like, yeah, definitely feel like you're in Italy. So of course the kitchen opens up to the family room. So very nice open concept. You have a breakfast nook to the side. And how amazing would it be to sit there and check out this view every morning when you're drinking your coffee. That's just, oh, lucky person whoever buys this home. And then we will have your built-ins left and right of that fireplace. And look at the detail on that fireplace. Wow. So right over here to my left, we have the powder room, which actually is a full bathroom because it does have a shower. And there's also a door that will lead you outside. So it's also functioning as your pool bath. But check out this tile on the wall in the shower. Isn't that awesome? But speaking of the outside, why don't we go outside and take a look at the pool and that amazing view out there. Home is just stunning. Check out this amazing pool. And if that doesn't sell you, then check out the view that's right ahead of you. That's definitely a seller, I think. Before I turn around and show you this most amazing view, I want to show you the back of the home with the pool because it just looks so stunning. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And I really hope you enjoyed this tour. But before I leave, here's our dock. It's actually 36 feet long. And this is the view. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Oh, also, if you guys are lucky, you may be able to see dolphins swim by. How cool would that be? And that over there is Tampa Bay. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.